Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm back out here in Madison, and I do have a mask on because I can't say the word, but it is on the rise, and I am in the public area. There are people walking. I know I'm out here in the open, just nobody here. Just being mindful, okay? Just be mindful, wear a mask, take it off when there's literally nobody around you. But anyways, I'm out here in Madison, Monona Bay. As you guys saw in my last video, we did some pan fishing and I had a great time. I'm actually meeting up with Ming. As I'm waiting for him, I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I'm using, my rig, and yeah, what I'm using. Yeah, this is my setup. So I'm using Mustad, right? Size 10. You don't have to use this exact hook. You can just use a small hook, size 10. I'm using split shots. All right, that's what it looks like. Just one is fine. If you need more weight, put two. And we are using wax worm. All right, I don't know if it's going to show on the camera because there's a glare here, but we are using wax worm. All right, ooh, wax worm. By the way, this is my setup right here. This is my Shimano Twin power. You don't need anything expensive again, but I do recommend this nice panfish series, 7 foot, light action, extra fast. Okay, I don't know if it's going to show. I'll leave all the description down below. So I love this rod for panfish. I highly recommend it. It's sensitive. It has enough backbone for pan fishing. You're not gonna rip the hook out of its mouth. And yeah, man, this thing is really good. I'm fishing it on 4-pound test, Suffix Ice Magic. That's just my go-to panfish line. You can go 3-pound too, but I think 4-pound is like perfect. Also, I am using a bobber. You can use the rocket bobber for distance, or you can use something similar like this. Or again, something like this. Okay, here's the difference. This one actually has a weight system at the bottom. All right, you guys see that? Let me focus. There's a weight system, so when it does sit in the water, it'll sit straight up, and if something bites it, it'll go down slightly. These two right here, if you don't have a weight system, it'll sit flat. If something bites it, it'll go up. This one right here is more for distance. This is a rocket bobber. You can bomb this thing really far. Yeah, it sits sideways like this. I thought it had a knocker. And as soon as something bites it, it goes up. All right. So again, these two sit parallel like this against the water, on the water. This one sits like that. All right. I like to use this bobber when I'm throwing plastics for crappies, fishing the deep, fishing weed line, trying not to spook out the fish. This is the go-to bobber. The other two are just for live bait, minnows, waxies, worm, stuff like that. I do have my rig up here. Again, it's really simple. This is Panfish 101. I'm using a size 10 hook. It's really tiny. I don't know if you guys can see it, but gold is a good color. It's a little flashy. You can use red too. Gold and red is like my go-to hook color. Doesn't matter. I don't know. I just prefer gold. Again, a little small split shot here. I start off with one. If I wanted to sink faster, I'll put two on, and so on and so on. Then I got the bobber, clip-on bobber for the waxies. Just like that, all right? So you want a nice bright orange color, that way you can see it as soon as it hits the water, or as soon as it goes down, you can see the bite. Yeah, other than that, we're just gonna wait for my buddy Ming there, and he's gonna bring some live minnows. We're gonna do some pan fishing. So we are out here in Madison. Yes, that's my buddy Ming.
How you doing?
So, he is a master at this spot. He knows this spot in and out, so I'm gonna rely everything on him. But yeah, man, we're out here. It's not 40 miles per hour wind anymore. There's no white caps. We're not gonna get beat today, so hopefully we find some fish. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys out in the water. All right, so we did a little hiking around, and I think this is the most productive spot. Everywhere else seems to be off, so we're just gonna hang here, and maybe the fish are, you know, chilling here. Find a couple fish for you guys. I got one. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, he ate the minnow. Bro, look at this bluegill. He ate the minnow. Wow. All right, good fish. Off it goes. Whoa, freaking muskrat, bro. Scared the crap out of me, dude. There's a stack over here. But they're not big though. Oh yeah, I mean that loon is there. Oh, this guy's fat. Got a big old belly on him. He's been eating good.
Yeah, they probably got
Jeez. Oh, got a bite. Got another one. Oh, this one feels good. Unless he's just in the weeds. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, it's getting bigger. So cool.
Yeah, like I said, the bigger ones might just be sitting over there.
In the shallow.
Yeah, because they ain't coming out here.
This is a good 8-incher. Found him. This is a nice one, dude. Just a fighter. Still pretty big. Got him. They're coming back shallow. No, come out here. Nice. Look at that big thing. Oh, jeez. Yeah, right where it drops. Big it. Yep. That's a nice one. Unless he's just a runner. Yeah, he's just a runner. Whoa! Just the average size. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk back and get something to eat. I'm starving. And it's cold as heck. I didn't think it was gonna be this cold. Definitely gonna recharge and come back out. Right now it's about 1:50. So see you guys in a little bit. Gotta grab some Subway. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, I got hit.
Yep.
There he goes.
Take it.
Take it. Take it.
Right there.
Got him. There we go. Oh, dude, he's a runner, dude. Oh, jeez. Okay, okay. It's a nice one. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there he goes. That's a nice gill right there. I gotta get this DSLR shots out. Alright guys, so here's a little update. I went out, got some lunch. I'm still here with my guy Ming. And we're catching, jeez, it stabbed me. There you go, look at that. That is a beauty. Look how round that thing is too. Look how tall they are. It's insane. Wow. Here, you can have that. Eat it, eat it. Alright. Here we go. Nice Madison gill. You guys already know. I will go down there and throw it in there, but I don't want to slip and go in the water. Alright, so pretty much what I'm using here is waxy. We did change it up just a little bit. We're using waxy with a green jig head. I was using plain hook earlier, but it wasn't drawing much attention, so this green chartreuse jig head is doing the trick. And all I'm doing, I'm not whacking rigging or anything, I'm just putting the whole thing on the hook, right? Just like that. I'm just gonna focus, but that's what it looks like right there. Got him. That's a nice one. biter. Whoa. Sheesh. There you go. It's not as big as the one I caught earlier, but still a good fish. A good eater. Holy cow, he was in the weeds. Like that, guys. Nice fish. Whoa. Oh, I got a bite. Got him. Small guy. Oh, we got a perch. Yeah. Check this out. We got ourselves a perch. Look at this. Man, I love pan fishing. This thing's so pretty. Wow. Thumbs up. Let it go. Got him. Woo, they're on fire now. Not big though. Oh, it's okay, it's decent. Got a decent gill. Not as big as what we were catching the other couple minutes ago, but still decent fish. It's just the fact that they're so freaking meaty, man. They're super meaty. Got him. That's nice. Sheesh. Finally, guys. It's been a minute, but we got him. Nice tall gill right there. Wow, on an orange, pink plastic. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what it is. Nice tall gill. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Oh, that's cool. Holy, look how chunky this guy is. Whoa, now that's a tall fish. I can't even grip him. Look at that, guys. Now that's a tall bluegill. Jeez, jeez. Look how tall that fish is. Wow. That's so cool. Jeez, man. Got a stick all over me. Man, the bite is on. Look at this guy. It's a pale color. It's cool though. Wow. Nice fish. Dang, he went down too. Got him. Yeah. I'm tricking him to bite it. That's a nice one too. Oh gosh. Real nice. Dude, let's go! I triggered him to bite it. Look how big this thing is. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. That's a big fish. That is so cool. Got him. That's a nice. Oh, look at him go! Look at him go! Oh! That's a tall fish. Look at this. He's feeling drag. Holy cow. Look at this, guys. I don't know if the camera quality is good anymore, but look at that beautiful fish. Jeez, don't twitch. That's a nice fish right there. Alright, let's get it back in the water. Alright, look at that big fish right there. This is too much fun, man. I love it. I love it. Woo! That's like the 60th fish, man. It's crazy. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one right there. Alright, this is the last fish, guys. Holy giant, dude. He's gonna swallow my bait. Oh, look how purple he is. That's so cool. I'm gonna take a picture of this guy. It's the last fish right here. Man, how do you leave when all the fish are just freaking amazing like this? Oh my goodness. Thank you, fish. You've made my evening well. Look how purple that is. See ya. What do you want to be ya? Peace. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna close it here. It's getting cold, and like, I love bluegill panfish fishing. It's just so much fun. They fight so hard, and light, ultralight rods. I'm gonna head out, and I'll definitely be back out here. I don't know when, but hopefully you guys learned something today. I mean, the setup that I talked about this morning, it worked, but it wasn't as effective as the regular jig head and a wax worm or a plastic, as you guys saw in the video. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up if you guys like this stuff, and I'll see you guys on the water next time. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something.